Well, this is what I worked on all day. This is the see-through wall. And Angel and Lily are on the other side. Lily wants their supper. You can't have it, Lily. It's for the kiddies. Okay? Good girl. So the floor still needs to be washed, but they've got a nice perch here. They're all having their bedtime treat. They like the moist. And there's Pearl. She just jumped up. She was run over by a school bus. And I took her to the vet and she lost a leg, but she's blind in one eye. And she's a great cat, aren't you, Pearl? Queen Bee. Blueberry here. No, sorry, this is Meatloaf. Blueberry's brother. He came from the Mosley dump as a kitten, so I brought him home. And he always kind of wants out, but if he actually gets outside, he gets scared. Here's Blueberry. That's his sister. She's from the Mosley dump. All these cats have been abandoned. Here is Firefly, the other sister. No, I think I'm wrong. I think this is, yep, Firefly. Firefly is the sister. So 3 kittens from the Mosley dump. This is Cricket. She's a little thing, always has been. She's from the Arrowwood dump. Pearl again. Grasshopper comes from the Arrowwood dump as well. Don't you, sweetie? She's a real nice girl. She has to have the party snacks kind of thing. She doesn't like moist treats. Yeah. And this is Luke. The paint has kind of worn off this floor, but it doesn't matter when they're in here. Luke came to me out of a blizzard just after Stan passed away. They've got a real nice window. They can see out. It's much nicer than their last room. Now, this is Sally. Sally is the mother of those 3 kittens, Meatloaf, Firefly, and Blueberry. So she had them in the dump. Her first litter of kittens apparently froze. That's what happens to kittens in the dump. But these guys, they're fine. They're, gosh, 8 years old or something now. Now, who have I forgotten? George. Where are you, George? He's using the facilities. I won't show that. So, that's my darling cats. Their new cat room. And I love them so much, don't I, guys? They just had a play all around the house. And now they're getting ready for bed. There's George. He was probably thrown out of a car. He had a broken back when he came. And now he's fine. Well, guys, how do you like that, eh? You can see the kitties. Yeah. Okay. Good night, kitties.